Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2005 Honda Elite 80 motor scooter. Automatic transmission, electric start, 2-passenger. This thing is in beautiful condition. We'll call it the Sarah Connor Special Edition. Only 822 miles on this gorgeous Elite 80. And it even has a basket for your stuff. Come on by, make your motor scooter dreams come true for just $24.99. We have financing. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.